Hi, it's Kerry here. I thought I'd give you a quick run through of the Creative Barn membership so you can see how much value is inside. First thing when you come in, you have these little pop-ups for all of our live Zoom sessions. So they're just I've booked a spot, but it asks you to click on them so you can see straight away. It's really easy to book a spot in our Zoom sessions every month. And then this is our dashboard. We have a new calendar comes up every month, which shows us what we're focusing on for the month. This one we're doing Australian animals. Then it also shows like when our Zoom draw along session is. We're having a prep session this month. We do a Zoom art chat. We do a membership meetup here in Maryborough for anyone who's local to me. Q&A session. Lots of things throughout the month. And then down here are all the modules. So I put the latest tutorials that come up each month are just in the current month. I'll just quickly show the calendars in here. These are all this August events that are on, and the tutorials come in here as well. And we also have a bingo sheet. Every month we play bingo, and there's a prize. There's an art related prize this month where the winner gets a scale tool for drawing without lines. The scale tool really helps with that. Okay, so then the main modules are down here. You have a welcome module and I've created a path to success, so a path to help you work your way through to what to focus on to improve, so it helps you determine what stage you're at. And then we have these 4 modules here. We've got stage 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is where all our tutorials are held. Okay, so stage 1 is all about the fundamentals of art. So you can see here we've got drawing fundamentals. So these are all lessons I get added to all the time as I create them. So about shading practices, transferring your line art, learning about values and how light hits an object. Then we have like the introduction to soft pastels, an introduction to charcoal, and an introduction to graphite, because we cover all 3 of those mediums in the membership. And then I'm slowly working on the 7 visual elements of art. So again, you can see it's just all fundamental stuff in stage 1. Stage 2 is where we take an animal and break it down. So I feel that if you get confident drawing the different animal parts, then you're not going to be intimidated when you come to draw a whole animal. Okay, so in here we have a lot of different parts, like the eye, different animals is horse, wolf, tiger, lion, cat, dog, all that sort of stuff, a hare eye, monkey eye, then nose, mouth, fur, whether we're doing curly fur, black fur, long fur, short fur, feathers, skin, then we start to get into our nature side of it, where we're looking at textures and clouds, all that sort of stuff. But again, everything gets added to each month as I create new tutorials. Now stage 3, this is probably our biggest module. This one has all of the main tutorials, which is the sort of full animals, full portraits. I'll just scroll down. You can quickly see there's a lot in here. Each one of these is one tutorial. Okay, so it's broken up into each step. Okay, most tutorials are about 3 hours, 4 hours, depending on what it is here. But I will just quickly go into the index and you'll be able to see a bit easier of what's in here. Okay, so these are all tutorials inside this module at the moment. So again, like I said, they get added to. This month is Australian animals and the crocs in there, and we're also going to be doing a quokka. And then these are our monthly draw along sessions, so they're all recorded and placed in here as well. So if you can't make it live, you can come back to those when it suits you. And then our rooster stage is our last stage. And this is where we start to look more at, once you're confident with your drawing, you're now looking at composition, turning your drawings into like greeting cards, calendars, like prints, all the things to start making money from your art. So, excuse me. So like pet portraits, entering competitions, telling stories through your art, just sort of going deeper into your art and being able to, make money and start to become a full-time artist, or even just to make enough money to pay for your art supplies, which we all love. Then we also have, so like I said, those are our 4 main ones, and by no means are you stuck in one module. Like, I encourage people to go into whatever they're inspired to draw. Even if you're a beginner, you could go into stage 3 if you really loved drawing a particular animal and you really wanted to start doing that. I encourage it. But we have a game board as well for each stage, and that guides you through. And once you've completed that game board, it's not all the lessons in the module, it's just sort of key lessons to help you keep moving forward. That's the main thing, and keep drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. So the game board helps you do that, and each stage you get to, I send you out a little pin in the mail and a little sort of a new game board, all that sort of stuff. So you get some snail mail, which is a lot of fun. All right, then lastly, we've got these few other little modules down here. We've got our creativity booster. So every month I make up one of these. They're just quite a fun short lesson. There's a bit of painting in here. There's some drawing stuff, just doing exercises. This little one using fingerprint paint blobs, turning them into birds, just fun things. Even your kids would love to do them as well, actually, because therefore if you're feeling stuck and you don't want to get involved in a full realistic drawing, these are just some fun ones to go in and just get yourself creating. And then our Inside the Studio, this one here is sort of hacks, and I share Meet the Masters. These are other artists that inspire me, just like inspiration, goal setting, mindset, all that sort of stuff is in that one. And then every month I do a live Q&A on Facebook, so you can send me questions that you want me to answer, or you can just attend live and ask away during the live. And that's also where we draw our bingo every month. And then these ones just down here, these are just ignore that pricing on there. Anything in here is free to members. So these are past coaching weeks. So the lessons in these coaching weeks that I taught have already been put into the different modules. But if you prefer, you'd like to do it as the whole week and see all the live sessions, all of that, you could go into here and do the whole coaching week. So there'll be another one coming up in September, which again will be added here. And anyone who's a member doesn't have to pay for coaching week. Pretty much everything I do, all tutorials I create are free to my members. So, all right, I kept that under 10 minutes, which is great. So if you're interested in joining me in the membership, the doors are open at the moment. I usually close them for a fair bit of the year. I will probably be closing them again after sort of around the end of September. I'll just see how it goes. And then at the moment, the membership price is $29 a month US, or $2.90 for the year. And then it will probably be going up next year. So, all right. Anyway, if you've got any questions, just reply to me in email or message me over on Facebook.